Hi. So I just found out something I've been struggling with for months, and I just thought to put it on a video before I forget. I have this A3 printer. It's an L1800. See here, L1800 Epson printer. It's A3, but I've been struggling with it for months now. It doesn't print correctly. It just prints totally wrong. Colors are usually off. You could see there's some kind of tint here. If I show you the original, this is not what this was really supposed to look like. I've been having issues with the prints, the color. I mean, look at this. Like, this is me changing the settings, just to get the right results, but it's always been, terrible. But after tweaking and tweaking, I got to these settings. If you could see the settings, sorry, it's not so clear, but it's on the color control, Epson Vivid. Um, my brightness is 0, contrast 5, saturation 5. My cyan is -5, magenta is -5, and my yellow is 5. And these were still some of the colors that were not coming out too great, but it was closer to, I mean, compare this, it was closer to the real thing. This is actually the real one. This is the closest, and I'm going to leave it at this settings. I'm going to leave it at this setting. Ooh, my lighting is terrible, but I'm going to leave it at this. I'm going to show you the original. So this is what it looks like. This is the print preview. Oops. And this is the final printout. I mean, I've been battling this for months, and to get this is such a relief. For now, hope this helps someone with the same issue. All right, bye. I need to charge my laptop.